In the harsh, icy landscape of the Arctic, a polar bear was struggling to survive. Weighed down by a shocking infestation, this majestic creature needed help, and fast. Meet the polar bear, covered in barnacles, clinging to its fur like parasites. These unwelcome guests had created honeycomb-like wounds, causing immense pain and discomfort. A team of brave rescuers from the Arctic Rescue Team sprang into action. Led by expert wildlife biologist, Dr. Maria Rodriguez, they carefully assessed the situation. With precision and care, the team sedated the bear, carefully removing the barnacles and treating the wounds. It was a delicate operation, requiring patience and expertise. After the successful rescue, the polar bear began its journey to recovery. With time, care, and nutrition, it regained its strength, eventually returning to its natural habitat. Thanks to the tireless efforts of the Arctic Rescue Team, this incredible creature was given a second chance, a testament to the power of compassion and conservation. Join us in supporting wildlife conservation efforts.